Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why does your REALME Buds T200 Lite too quiet. Firstly, I recommend to remove ear tips from your earbuds and clean the grill. Right here we have it, so slightly clean it with a brush. By the way, this channel we have video how to clean this earbud, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. Now, when you clean the grill and it didn't help you, maybe the problem is your earbuds just too old, or maybe the problem that you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem with only one earbud, I have solution for you. It's not totally fixed, but it will help you. So we can change audio balance. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on Android device, and then I'll move to iOS. On your Android, you need to go to the settings. Then we need to find accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom. So scroll down, accessibility, scroll down again, and right here at the bottom we have audio adjustment. Tap at this line, and here's audio balance. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance, so maybe you need to move it, test it. We just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. If you have the problem with the left earbud, just move this dot to the left, and we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. And again, you need to find a good balance here. That's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings. Enter into Accessibility, scroll down, and right here we have Hearing, and in the Hearing we have Audio and Visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and here's Audio Balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left. But you need to find a good balance, so you need to move it and test it. We just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound for your right earbud. If you have the problem with the right, the same, just move it to the right. Again, you need to find a good balance, and again, we increase the volume for the right, but lower it for the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!